Sentimental and technical video for the NZDUSD service for the 26th of May. We're coming to the end of the week and end of the month, so do be careful. And we haven't got the SLC above for AU. It says the upper SLC is at 77.85, and we're clearly taking it out. Hasn't loaded it, so it's a bit strange. So I'm going to keep an eye on that. It might load while making the video. If it does, I will populate it on the video. So we don't know the one above. The one below is the largest one, as far as we know. It's likely that's not going to change. They're going to have their stops there. There's no reason for it to change particularly. So that's AU done. They shorted it there, you can see on that candle. Up we went. And let's do AJ. And likewise, it thinks that the SLC is there. We took it out, 84.69. One below is 83.9. We're a buy sideways. You might notice that the things are loading because I upgraded my computer. I've got to put a graphics card in there now. It's quite fast graphics card, so it will help with the video performance. So hopefully it will help load the data. So those two are done. EA 15824 and 15715. We are a buy, but they are going long, so we have to be careful because that could teeter over the 50%, and then it will become a sell. So if it crosses over 50% from below, then we could fall, and that would help the Aussie case, and we know that Aussie is quite strong. EU. Very close to the SLC at 12264, 5 pips away. And one below is 12220. We are a buy and sideways pretty much. We have got a bearish free drives, but to be honest with you, I think it's going to just probably overlook the technical, and it will just come up to punish these guys potentially. And fundamentally, it's got a huge case for more gains because we're risk on, like you would have seen on the risk calculation in the morning. Because we're risk on, the dollar's not going to really have any fundamental logic to rally. It will dump in a risk on environment, and there's no appetite for safe haven such as the USD or the yen. So it could overlook this technical, and if we do crack above 12270, then it breaks this free drives. GU. This line here is MR2, so 14169, 14210, and 14110. We are a buy. It's pretty sideways. There's shorts in it, just ever so slightly. But I'm happy that it's loading the data now. So this improvement to my computer is definitely worth it. NU, and obviously what chairman or the RBNZ governor is saying that they were looking to potentially hike next year, but in the second half, and that puts the Kiwi in a very strong position, like the CAD. So that's the reason why we're seeing a big move on Kiwi. So it's obviously that's definitely bullish the New Zealand economy. We can't show you the SLC because it was there, and these guys absolutely destroyed and rinsed. We knew in the NZDUSD service that it would be hawkish, just from some analysis that we provided. I actually got it from Miad on Twitter. So that's how I got the idea that they would be hawkish, and he was right. MR1 for NU is 173.15. It looks like we hit it exactly. So yeah, that levels of interest. I wouldn't try and short this by any means. So just we've got the central bank forcing that move. EJ, one above is at 134, I think, from my memory. Yeah, one on the dot. So that's the retail guys being really obvious. And the one below is 132.44, and we're a buy. And they're going long, so potentially it could fall. But if it's going to fall, that needs to come up, and if it crosses the 50% line, then we'll fall. Pound yen. There's resistance here on this pitchfork, which is the 61.8 there. No, it's the shift channel bottom, 151.19. So they're normally quite accurate, these shift channels. The one above is, hopefully it loads, come on, 155, that's dead easy to remember, and 153.7, we are a buy and a sideways. Dollar yen, 109.25, 108.50. We could be seeing like a triangular break, potentially. See how there's that triangle there? We are a sell and we're below monthly pivot, so technically and sentimentally bearish. Dollar CAD, I don't know what's going to happen here. I mean, we could continue to fall, to be honest. The one above is 121, one below is at 1.2. Dead easy to remember the stop loss clusters, dead on the round number. Dollar Swiss, 0.9 and 0.89, 18. We are a sell, sideways. They shorten it, just about shorten it. There's not much in it, really. It's like 2 or 3%. So if they continue, then we might rally. But then there's the case of this fundamental logic not being there. Gold. This is of interest. This level here on the technical. This is your median line, and SOC hitting exactly at the level of interest at 1907. I had an order to buy at 1900, so I'll probably need to maybe wrap up that signal because we've overextended MR3 as well. So I think this could have been a stop hunt potentially. Yeah, so 1907.98, and there's just lots of things signaling, maybe there's like a little halt there potentially for price action. It's come a long, long way in quite a short space of time, and we've exceeded MR3. So, what else? Yeah, and also there aren't any signals. We had the Kiwi signals, and that's it. So, you can trade the bubbles by all means, but we are coming to the end of the week, and we're starting to close the week out. And we can sometimes see reversals on the bubbles because what happens is a casino effect, where they don't destroy the retail guys so much that they get liquidated. They go easy on the retail guys, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so they come back to the casino on Monday, and that's really important. Is that if you look at the bubbles Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and you trade them, you can sometimes see a reversal for that fact that they can't always be wrong. The herd, if they were always wrong, they'd give up. So hopefully it helps. I probably made it over 10 minutes again. For that, I apologise. And hopefully this looks better now on this new 1080p resolution. So I'll speak to you guys soon and have a good day.